Today we will create a simple invoice report using MaxPrint V2 built-in invoice template. So let's get started. First, we will log into our Oracle Apex workspace. Now go to the page in your application where you want to use MaxPrint plugin. First, create a button and name it to MaxPrint V2. Now add a dynamic action and name it as you like. We are choosing Invoice Template in this demo. Now, in the true condition of dynamic action, select your installed MaxPrint V2 plugin. Now go to the plugin settings. For action, we will use Create option, which is used for creating a template. For data source type, we will select SQL query. For SQL type, we will use JSON Object SQL. MaxPrint V2 also supports simple SQL and cursor SQL. Now we write our query in Query section. For convenience, we are just pasting it. Now we save and run. In our Apex application, click on MaxPrint V2 plugin button we just created. We are now redirected to our MaxPrint Designer page. Here we can see multiple built-in templates which matches the provided data structure. We will use the built-in invoice template in this demo. We can see that all our data from our query is available on the canvas. We can make changes as per requirements, but here no changes are required. Now press the Preview button to preview your report and save it. Copy the template ID from the Copy button, which is right beside the template name. Now go back to your application page in Oracle Apex. Select Run option from Actions in Settings. This is used for generating reports. Now we use the copied template ID and select output type as PDF. Set output file name to generate the PDF report. For output method, we select Download to download the PDF report. Now save and go to our Apex application and press the MaxPrint V2 plugin button to download the PDF report file. Open the PDF report. Wow, you have just created a simple invoice report. Thank you for watching. Happy reporting!